So the WowBot is my first attempt at trying to use a game engine to test my AI system. And so here we go. Here's the WowBot. And the WowBot has right here a barcode, if you will. This barcode is all the data I currently want out of World of Warcraft. It's basically a pixel in scale. Each pixel represents one ASCII character. So ASCII characters exist between 0 and 255. Well, so does color. Color exists between 0 and 255. So we just take that value of the ASCII value, convert it to an integer, and set it as the color value of a pixel and dump it on the screen. Now we have a simple, I think it's 323, three white pixels, two black pixels, and three white pixels. And then at the end, we have a white pixel, so that denotes the end of the line. And then it'll check to see if there's another line and read to the end of that one and continue until it finds the data structure that it's looking for. So now we have the app open, the external app that's going to read this data. So when I click the on-off checkbox, oh, we're going to talk about profiles first. So we have the profile. We have Blessing of Wisdom as a command and seal of command. And then we have the spell name and then the keyboard command to execute that spell. And we can add new ones. We can delete the ones that are there. We have one for mounted. We have one for not mounted, and so forth. So we select a profile, and then we click the on. This will perform a screen capture and start looking for the binary data. And we have the status of the screen capture because it's a long process and we don't want to know what it's doing. So there you go, starting to capture data. The format that it's in is basically bracket value name colon value semicolon end bracket. So it's similar to JSON. So here you go, watching it exercise the code. So I got rid of the buff and it tried to cast the buff. So now it'll detect that I'm unmounted and it'll try and cast it because it's typing too fast. Apparently recording slowed it down. So cast the spell for not being mounted and then remove a buff. And then it'll say, oh, it's not there. And it'll cast it. And then I'll mount. And it'll recast the buff for mounted. So it's pretty simple code. Nothing too extravagant here. The next step I want to do for this guy is make it run off of a rule engine. It's currently running off of a rule engine, if you will, if then logic. If this value is below that or if this value is not there, then do this action. But I want it to be actual rules, so a file with rules in it, so I can change it on the fly, basically a scripting language, if you will. And that's what's next for this product.